Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create purchasing pricing. Let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create purchasing pricing, let's talk about the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to make sure a company gets the best deal when buying things it needs. So to handle negotiations with suppliers to secure fair prices based on factors like quantity and quality. By centralizing this process, the company can keep track of costs efficiently. So first, you can access in back office. So you go into the back office. So we're already here in back office. So you can type the username and your password. So you can type the username and your password. Click this login. So go to items inventory, then locate purchasing pricing. Then it's already here in purchasing pricing. So you type the item or the item code, for example, the price. So enter. So the meaning of the supplier means this is the company or entity from which the goods or services are being procured. Then the price, the negotiated or agreed upon cost of the item being purchased. Then the supplier's unit of measure, the unit of measurement used by the supplier to quan, quantify the item, for example, the pounds, the kilograms, the liters, or the grams, and the conversion factor to our unit of measure means from the company standard unit of measure, a conversion factor may be needed to convert between the two units. So the lastly, the supplier codes are the description. So I mean this is a unique identifier or description provided by the supplier for the item being purchased. So you can create the purchasing prices. So first is the price. For example, uh 50. No, the 150 per box. So the supplier units of measure me like uh box per box. So box. Then the conversion factor to our unit of measure, for example, the cost associated with acquiring supplies and the conversion factor indicates how many units are contained within a one box. So, for example, the fries is ordered from a supplier by the box. So the conversion factor determines of how many units of fries are in a single box. So 150 each per box. Then the conversion it's like for example 100 kilogram. Then the supplier code or description price per box. Then click add new. So this supplier purchasing data has been added. So this is the process on how to create purchasing pricing.